This is a basic method for pouring an agarose gel used in agarose gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis is used to separate particles and proteins by size and charge. Agarose gel is most commonly used in separating DNA. These are the supplies you will need: a gel box apparatus and gel tray, 1% agarose and a hot mitt to handle the molten agarose, a microwave and hot water bath. To begin, loosen the cap on the bottle of agarose until barely fastened on the bottle. Place the bottle into the microwave and set the timer for 60 seconds. The agarose should only be heated 1 minute at a time with swirling in between to prevent boiling over. Heat the agarose until fully molten. Not fully melted agarose will usually have bubbles and an opaque hue. Continue microwaving at 1 minute intervals until the agarose is clear and has no bubbles. Beware of superheating or boiling over. Once the agarose is melted, you must allow it to cool to 60 degrees Celsius before use. Place the bottle into a preheated 60-degree water bath until you are ready to use it. The agarose will remain molten at this temperature. This is a Bio Rad Gel Box apparatus. You must tape the ends of the gel tray with heat-resistant tape before pouring the agarose. Remove the bottle of molten agarose from the water bath and use a graduated cylinder to measure out 35 milliliters of agarose. To prevent the agarose from solidifying, place it back inside the water bath for later use. It is recommended that you caulk both ends of the gel tray where the tape meets the tray. Do this by using a sterile transfer pipette to run a line of approximately 1/2 to 1 milliliter of melted agarose along each seal. Allow these lines to mostly solidify before pouring the rest of the gel into the tray. However, do not wait too long, as the agarose will begin to solidify in the graduated cylinder. Carefully and slowly pour melted agarose into the gel tray. Make sure to avoid leaving bubbles in the agarose. Place the comb into the tray within the apparatus on the negative or black end. With negative particles such as DNA, always run to red. Bubbles do happen, especially near the comb. If you have bubbles near agarose, use a clean pipette tip to move them to the edge. Once you have poured the agarose into the tray, do not move the apparatus until the agarose is solidified. Otherwise, you risk an uneven gel. It should take approximately 20 minutes for the agarose to be completely solid. When solid, the agarose takes an opaque, somewhat white appearance.